We see it all the time on the continent in holiday hotspots like Spain and Italy, but now Wales could follow suit and charge a tourism tax for holidaymakers coming to the country. The Welsh Government are calling it a visitor levy, which ranged from 75 pence per night up to £1.30 depending on your type of lodging. It's been discussed at length in the Senedd for some time, but on Tuesday evening, with Labour and Plaid Cymru support, Senedd members voted in favour of the new law, which could come into effect by 2027 at the earliest. It's not a blanket ruling, and local authorities are now given the powers to choose whether or not to implement the tax. So areas with a higher amount of tourists, who largely rely on the industry, have some big decisions to make moving forward. Some councils, like Cardiff and Anglesey, have already expressed interest in implementing the ruling, while some have been quick to rule out imposing the charge. The Welsh Government have argued it could add more than £30 million to local economies, while those against the law, like the Welsh Conservatives, have said it could put people, especially budget travellers or families, off visiting certain parts of the country for their holidays. The levy will be subject to VAT, but visitors aged under 18 will be exempt from the charges. The 75 pence per night charge will be for visitors to campsites and hostels, while hotels and holiday lets would face the higher £1.30 charge. It's already caused controversy and will likely remain a talking point up to and beyond its eventual implementation, but its effect on tourism in Wales is yet to be seen. James Peach Watkins, reporting for local TV.